Today's featured car of the day is a rare one, a 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 GTE hardtop, one of 256 XR7 GTEs built and one of 114 known to exist. Also, it's one of 23 XR7 GTEs known in this color combination. And I'll read off the owner's sheet that they had here. And it says the car was built in Dearborn, Michigan, March 12, 1968. And then the vehicle identification number. The engine is a 7-liter 427 4-barrel side oiler V8 with hydraulic lifters. Horsepower 390 at 5,600 RPM. Torque 460 at 3,200 RPM. Transmission Mercomatic 3-speed automatic C6, and only automatics were offered for the 427 GTE. And then the color is cardinal red and argent silver. Interior is black leather. List price was $4,840.36, which was quite a bit of coin back in 1968. And then this high-performance GTE version of the 1968 Cougar was the top-of-the-line model. Marketed as a luxury car with optional leather interior and burl-grained wood appointments, it was the next step up from the popular Ford Mustang, and the GTE was defined by its performance. Displayed here in original stock condition, it is only one of only 114 XR7 GTEs known to exist. This model GTE was raced nationally by famous race driver Dan Gurney. It was purchased new in Florence, South Carolina, and remained in the state, including some 36 years stored inactive in a warehouse. Complete ownership history is known through 2016, when it was sold to its current owner in Escondido, California. And that one, I filmed this one at my hometown car show in Fallbrook, California, that they have once a year. This one I did a few years back, but I just found the footage for it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.